Hey folks, Mike Johnson here. If it's got wheels and an engine, you're in the right place. On this channel, we dive into car repairs, maintenance tips, and everything you need to keep your ride running smooth. If you're into cars and want to keep learning, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. All right, enough talking. Let's get into it.
P1107 is a manufacturer-specific powertrain code related to fuel and air measurement. In this case, it means that the engine control module, ECM, has detected a low-voltage signal from the barometric pressure sensor. Codes related to P1107 include: what does the P1107 code mean? A P1107 code will be stored when the ECM receives a low-voltage signal from the barometric pressure sensor, baro, which is integrated into the ECM and is used to monitor atmospheric pressure. Manufacturers may have different diagnostic repair details and information depending on the make and model involved. Some automakers that have a manufacturer-specific P1107 code include Acura, Audi, Buick, Chevrolet, Chrysler, Dodge, Ford, GMC, Honda, Hyundai, Isuzu, Jaguar, Jeep, Kia, Lincoln, Mercury, Subaru, Suzuki, and Volkswagen. What causes a P1107 code? Several problems can cause a P1107 code, including damaged or defective barometric pressure sensor, baro, damaged or defective manifold, absolute pressure, MAP, sensor damaged, corroded, loose or short-circuited electrical cables and associated connectors incorrect. Software installed on ECM damaged or faulty ECM. What are the symptoms of a P1107 code? Symptoms of a P1107 code may include: the engine or warning light may come on, the vehicle may idle, engine may hesitate, decreased fuel economy. How does a mechanic diagnose P1107? A mechanic can use several methods to diagnose a P1107 trouble code, including using an OBDI scanner to check a stored P1107 trouble code, visually inspect electrical wiring and associated connectors for damage or corrosion, check MAF BPS system circuits for malfunctions, check whether unmeasured air is entering the motor, check that there is sufficient airflow to the motor, check for clogged air filter, check for damaged or faulty air intake pipe, check for clogged catalytic converter, check for vacuum leaks, check atmospheric pressure and manifold air pressure sensors for power and ground, check sensors against manufacturer's recommendations for correct operation. Hertz. How serious is code P1107? Since the safe operation of a vehicle is unlikely to be affected by faults containing a P1107 code, this code is not considered potentially dangerous. When this code appears, we recommend that you take your vehicle to your local service center or mechanic for repair and diagnosis as soon as possible. What repairs can fix the P1107 code? Several repairs can correct a P1107 fault code, including repairing damaged or corroded wiring and associated electrical connectors, replacing clogged or faulty filters, repairing damaged or faulty air inlet pipe, repair vacuum leaks or replace suction hoses, replace damaged or faulty manifold, absolute pressure sensor, replace damaged or faulty barometric pressure sensor, replace and reprogram damaged or faulty ECMs. Clear all codes, test the vehicle and run a new analysis to see if any codes reappear. Further information on code P1107. It is always recommended to diagnose fault codes in the order in which they are stored. Mass airflow, manifold air pressure or engine misfire codes, if present, must be diagnosed and repaired before diagnosing and repairing a P1107 trouble code. In conclusion, understanding fault code P1107 is essential for diagnosing issues related to the barometric pressure sensor circuit. A low voltage reading can indicate problems such as faulty wiring, a defective sensor, or issues within the engine control unit. By addressing these potential causes, you can ensure optimal vehicle performance and prevent further complications. Always remember to consult your vehicle's service manual for specific troubleshooting steps and consider seeking professional assistance if needed. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more informative content on automotive diagnostics.